Yo, what's up, guys? I know there's a problem going on with the Xbox 360. As y'all can see, system, network settings. There's a service alert. I think I'm gonna test it right quick. I don't know if it's just me that I'm having the connection with. Um, in the comments, y'all let me know if it's y'all too. I don't know if it's just me. If it's something wrong with my network. But all the green bars, like Xbox 360, it connects to Bro. Like it connects to all of them. Xbox Store is service alert. Yeah. Y'all just let me know if y'all are having the same issue. Thanks for watching and thanks for the comment. For telling me. Yeah. Peace out.